So let's talk about the debt you're wanting to eliminate.
Okay. My student debt, I had never really been that worried about. It was obviously on hold for a while. So there was like a long period of time where I just wasn't paying it at all while Biden had that pause on all of it during
Right.
COVID. So
Mhm.
now it's just back to paying it a couple hundred, I mean, not sorry, just $200 a month at a time. I
Okay.
was at one point during COVID, like paying a lot of it off. And then my mom told me to stop because she was like, you don't know if it'll get eliminated. So I
Right.
can kind of just put a pause on it, or I just didn't think about it too hard.
Okay.
Just doing the minimum of what I have to do.
Okay. So this is all that you're looking to eliminate?
Yeah, that's pretty much the only debt I have.
Okay. So have you been looking into a line of credit?
Um, like a credit card or
No, a line of credit, like a personal line, like I talk about on the channel. Have you been watching the channel?
no, I haven't. Someone just recommended I take this call with you, and so I just
Okay.
promised that I would.
Okay. So at the banks, they offer lines of credit. So
Okay.
they're called revolving lines of credit. So if you went into a bank, say the one you have your checking account with, and you said, I would like to get a personal line of credit, or you can say revolving line. That is what a credit card is. But with these revolving lines, they will allow you to pull out of them and put into your checking account as you need. So
Oh,
if you were to go to the bank today and say, I want a revolving line of credit, and they look at your credit and they figure out that you could handle about a $10,000 line of credit, then you would take the revolving line and you would pay off this student loan. So you would transfer the money into your checking account, write a check to your student loan, pay them off. Now you're done with the student loan, and all you have is this line of credit. Well, when you get paid and you said that you bring in about 10,000, but by the time they do whatever for you, you make about 5,000. When your income came in, does it go to the agency first or does it come to you first? How does your income come in?
it comes to me first, and then I pay them out weekly.
Okay, so you would bring your $10,000 approximately that you get paid, you would put it into this account and you would pay it off. Now
Got
you would turn around and pay out of this account and your student loan's gone.
okay. No, I've never looked into that. Is that something that you recommend I would do?
You ought to go to the channel and
Mhm.
hey, Anna, can you go get the link under the playlist for lines of credit and send her that in email so she can watch what a line of credit is?
Thank you. I
Yeah, I
really
can do that.
appreciate that.
That way you'll understand exactly what it is, and then you'll have the channel. And then any other questions that you have now or in the future about buying a home or anything like that, you can go through the channel and it explains how to do that without getting these loans that you're making monthly payments on.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. How old are you?
I'm 28.
Nice. So you are one of my youngest. Usually people have struggled with debt in their 40s and 50s and 60s and 70s, and they're the ones I deal with every day. So if you will get a grasp on this right now, it will save you a fortune in getting loans and stuff in the future, for getting mortgages for homes, anything. So you're getting a really good start. So whoever sent you to this video, you need to thank them because they just saved you financially if you will use this instead of what the bank offers you, which are loans, because they're going to offer you the loan and you now know that you need to ask for the line. I'll give you an example since you haven't seen any videos. A mortgage, when a person goes and buys a home, and let's say they spend two, three, four, $500,000 in a mortgage to buy the home, they are going to pay upwards of, right now in today's rate, 130% interest. Well, what
Wow.
that means is if they buy a $200,000 home and they're paying 130% interest, that means that they're going to end up paying about 260,000 plus the 200,000 to buy the home. So they're going to have $460,000 that they have to pay off in that mortgage. Whereas
Right.
if they would just do the line of credit, they're just going to pay off their home of 200,000 and maybe 50,000 in interest. It's not
Wow.
going to be that
Okay.
crazy amount. So definitely, when you go to buy anything, cars, anything, check out a video first to make sure you're getting into the line of credit to buy that correctly.
I will 1000% do that.
Okay. because you're going to be ahead of the rest of the United States of America when it comes to finances if you learn this strategy now.
Great.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I don't think so. You explained that really well.
Okay. Well, if you think of anything you forgot to ask, feel free to email me.
I will. All right, I will
Okay.
definitely check out that revolving lines of credit video.
Yeah, it'll show you the difference. Anna, send her a couple of them maybe, because I know there's a few that actually break it down and show exactly what's going on in those loans and lines.
Okay.
Yeah, I sent her the link to the playlist, so that has all the videos about the line of
good.
credit.
So
It's
thank
only
you.
like 6 videos. So
Okay, and they're all very short, like maybe 8 minutes. So
Okay.
it's not going to take a lot of time for you to have a wealth of knowledge to build your financial life on.
No, I'll definitely go through and watch all of those. Finances is not something that I don't know a lot about. I think that's
Right.
why he wanted me to check out your videos, talk to you. I ordered a book too.
That is awesome though that he's sharing like that. I need to write a book. But yeah, no, that's wonderful that he's sharing the information with you and you share it with all of your friends because it'll save you all a lot of wealth that you can put into things that you want instead of paying the bank interest.
I will. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. You don't have any other questions?
No, I think that's it.
Okay, well, like I said, email me if you have any questions, okay?
I will. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
You.
All right, bye-bye. Hello, hello. I have some terrific news. We are opening up some new services for you. So let me talk just a little bit about them. One, we have a new calendar open for my services that is going to offer more times for availability. And also we're going to have Emily. Emily is a team member and she's going to be working with you on mindset and vision. So if you want to join Emily with the Mindset, Reset, and Vision Mastermind, the link for her is below. Also, we have Anna. Anna is a team member and she is doing email consultations. These have been approved by me. They are excellent at what they do, and they have learned well with the way I teach and what I want to share with my audience. So I am excited to share them with you. So if you are interested in an email consultation, join Anna. She'll be glad to help you. If you are interested in getting your mindset changed, not just about Velocity Banking and not just with your finances, but what does your life goals look like? Emily can help you with that. I am so excited to get these two team members up and running to help you get started in your life goals and whatever it is that you're wanting to accomplish. I know that we can help you and we're excited to do so. So if you're interested, check out the links below and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.